Is niacinamide the ultimate care that your skin deserves? Let's dive deep into this, and is it a hype or is it the truth? Let me explain all this today. Hello friends, I'm Dr. Geeta Grewal. I'm a cosmetic surgeon and I am also a founder of 9M Clinics and 9M Skincare, and my job is to take care of your skin and beauty health to make you look pretty and beautiful. What is niacinamide? Niacinamide is a vitamin B3. It is an active molecule for your skincare. It helps in generating NAD and NADH in the skin cells. And all this is required in all the functions of a cell. So it helps in improving your skin cell health, that is the cellular health of your skin. Vitamin B3 is also available in foods like egg, chicken, fish, greens and legumes. So you must intake all the healthy foods to increase the B3 level. For skin health, you need to apply vitamin B serum, B3 serum, that is the niacinamide serum, to improve the functioning of the skin cells. This is a versatile molecule. It is a multifunctional molecule and it works at all the level. That is, if you're struggling with acne, if you are struggling with fine lines, collagen breakdown, dehydration, this molecule is going to function at all the level, just because, as I explained, it improves the cell function. So when the cell is functioning optimum, no matter what your skin is struggling with, it will fix all the issues. Therefore, B3 standalone is not really going to work big. You have to combine it with your other things. It's like icing on the cake. So whenever you have acne, you inculcate B3 serum or niacinamide serum in your acne regime and you will see your acne regime working way faster and way better. Or anti-aging regime or anti-pigmentation regime, you will see all these products will start functioning better because the cellular health of the skin cell is improved by vitamin B3 serum, that is the niacinamide serum. How to use niacinamide serum? You can use anytime, morning or evening. Best is when, I'll give you an example. Suppose you have anti-aging regime, you're using retinol, you're using glycolic acid, you're using peptide-based creams, you're using vitamin C. You can use niacinamide 3-4 drops in the daytime and 3-4 drops at the night time, combining with your retinol. But make sure you use it first. So in daytime, you're using niacinamide drops first and then you're adding your vitamin C. And at night time, you're using niacinamide drops first and then you're adding your retinol or peptide-based creams. Who is it suitable for? All skin types, all colors, skin colors. Anyone can use niacinamide. That's why it is a versatile molecule. There is no sensitivity, there is no need of checking any sensitivity in niacinamide, and it is anti-inflammatory, it is cell functional restorative, it is improving the cellular health, and it helps in filling up your fine lines, wrinkles, building your skin barrier, improving collagen, improving elasticity in your skin. So everybody can use niacinamide serum or vitamin B3 serum. What are the myths around vitamin B3 serum? The myths, most of what I have heard is you can't combine with vitamin C. Yes, of course you can. That's a big myth. You can combine with vitamin C, you can combine with retinol, but make sure you give a gap. You use vitamin B3 serum or niacinamide serum first and then put your other actives. Don't mix and apply. Next is it causes purging. No, it doesn't cause purging. Purging is usually caused by any exfoliant, be it a physical exfoliant or a chemical exfoliant. Niacinamide doesn't cause any purging because it is cell health enhancer and it is working in synergy with your other active molecules. So it has no other side effect and it is very good for your skin, and you must add niacinamide serum in your skincare if you are a serious enthusiast for skincare. It's a versatile molecule. It is a multi-purpose molecule. B3 helps in decreasing your fine lines because it hydrates your skin, it boosts the collagen, It restores the cellular function, so it helps in lightening the pigmentation if you're struggling with pigmentation issues. So mix the B3 regime with all your other active regime. B3 should not be used as standalone, it won't benefit much. If you have skin concerns, combine with your other skincare ingredients and creams, and then you will see how they work in synergy, and now you'll get result not 1 plus 1 as 2 but 1 plus 1 as maybe 11. So it will help in enhancing the potency, the functionality of the existing skincare regime for your skincare issues, helping in decreasing your pigmentation, decreasing your fine lines, decreasing your pores, because it also helps in containing the oil activity in the cells. So it will help in all the aspects of a healthy skin that you dream of. Let me know what benefits you have had with niacinamide or what challenges you have had with niacinamide. Comment on the inbox and we'll reply to all your concerns, and make sure you like and subscribe to our videos to know more about excellent skincare.